description.
Oh, the ramen waiter's reign brings us joy and little pain, fighting over.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. It's another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got Maruchan Birria Beef Ramen Noodle Bowl. I don't know where this one in particular came from, but I got one from James from Lakeside, California, and I got one from the guy who runs Noodle Journey, which is a YouTube channel. You should check it out. Thank you to both of you. This makes it a lot easier for me because I was able to do shots and everything of one already, and here is the other one. So we are going to add all the stuff, filter line, and microwave. So that's what's going on. It must be new. I've never heard of this, but it must be new. Will it be beef taste? I don't know. Smells interesting. So there's that fill line. I'm gonna fill it to the line in the way with the room temperature water. Right to there, and it says to do it for 3 minutes and then let it sit 1 additional minute. I worry though. Okay. Why are you so worried, Ramen Raider? Why don't you just chill out? Okay, alright, I got you. I worry about it overtopping, or whatever you call it. So I put it on a plate. Thank you very much. Yeah. There's our ramen on a plate. 3 minutes. Bing, 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 bing. Usually that'll do the trick. So yeah, it says microwave it on high, but we've got see, my microwave is a 1250 watt microwave. Thank you. And yeah, that's usually these things are built or set for 800 to 1000 watts. So I have it set to run at 70%. That usually seems to kick it out nicely. A weird review day. What have I done? Israel, Germany, and now the US. Interesting. And when it goes ding ding, I turn this on. When it goes ding ding, we're all done. Crazy. And it's Friday. The 26th review that I've done in January, I think. Yeah, 26 reviews since they got done with winter break. That's good. It is. It's good. Stop. Now I got a beauty egg, and I got a do I want to use that bowl? I like that bowl, but I'm kind of questioning now if I should use it. Where's that bowl? It's way up there. I don't know if I want to dig. We'll see. Yeah. It's Friday. Still. Right now. It's Friday. And I'm playing that little hopscotch game with the sun. The sun is gone right now, and it seems to be extinguished enough that it might stay that way. And now it's going to come out again. Have you ever heard of these sun catcher things? They're like, you put them on your window and it's like, looks like stained glass, but it's not. My wife and kids made these sun patches. They're like junkies for that show Bluey. I liked Peppa Pig, but Bluey, it's alright. I like that the dad, there's like an episode where he's like, I'm gonna have a curry swap. I'm gonna bring my whatever. It wasn't Vindaloo, but it was something. I was like, okay, curry swap. I like that. Where everybody makes curry and switches out some. Man, I bet that's pretty explosive. Yeah, I like curry. Oh boy, do I like curry. I made curry last night. I made green curry. I had tofu puff. So I put chicken, tofu puff, tons, like literally tons of mung bean sprouts, and some scallion. Here we go. And now we wait 1 minute. And then I make rice for it to go on top of. Usually when I make rice, I just make like minute rice, but I add butter and a little bit of sesame seed and a few shakes of garlic salt. Comes out really nice. I mean, I could just sit there and just eat that. Rice with butter? I don't know. Something about that. My mom used to make that. She just had a bowl of rice with a little butter on top. Freaking good. Very simple, but very, very good. Yeah. Here's your rice and butter. Yeah. I'm curious about this one. This one's from the States, and I've never seen it anywhere. It says new, so maybe that's why, but the happiest microwave in the whole world. Alright. Let's get it on. The plate isn't super hot. And it did not go over the top. That's good. Here's what we are greeted with out of the microwave. Let's take a look. I'm very curious about this. The noodle block will definitely need a lot of stirring for this to work right. It certainly, I will say, at least all the junk on top looks the part. The Birria noodles that I've seen images of look to be very, 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 like, I don't know, muddy? It's supposed to be, you know, like a goat meat stew, Hispanic goat meat stew. From south of the border, down Mexico way. That's one thing that I've found interesting lately. It's like a lot of independent media news people are covering more and more stuff about Canadian politics. And it just kind of occurred to me last night, it's like, we have neighbors to the north and south of us, and we really, as a country, probably very few of us understand any of the dynamics with their politics or their governments or any of that. It's like, but we're neighbors. We should know a little something, right? Be a little bit more literate in how our neighbors work and what they do, and other than they just say A and they drink a lot of Molson. I mean, come on. But yeah. Anyways, that's my little thinking deal. I need a thinking suit. And an extra thumb. Well, here is what we got. This looks to be violently hot, so I'm going to add, cause slower molecules to ensconce it for a moment. All right, cheers. And there's our broth. Is that TVP? Whoa. That's bitter. Yeah, I have a feeling that's TVP right there. And it is not fully cooked. If that's TVP, textured soy protein. I'm gonna say this is definitely a pass for me. I think this is actually kind of off-putting. It's very gristly TVP, and well, I guess in this case they're calling it TSP, but you know what I'm talking about. It's plant protein made into fake meat, and it just doesn't hit so well. Not only that, it's very, very bitter. I don't know if that's kind of a hallmark of Birria, but yeah. Well, I'll add this meat. Chinese sausage. What else do I have? Yeah. Oh, man. Get back on top. Look at that yolk. That's a beaut. Some scallion. I'll grab my hot sauce. I like this stuff. You might not, but this is Texas Pete garlic. Sauteed garlic hot sauce. It's good. It's good. A little hot sauce. A little crushed red pepper. I think we're going to call it a day on that. You know what's a bummer is I didn't, I didn't run the dishwasher this morning. So the dishwasher's like, there's no room in the sink. So I need to do that. Well, Rotato, do your thing. I'm not particularly enthused with this really much. Maybe I'm just totally wrong with the flavor profile on this, but I'm just not real sold on this. I like Maruchan stuff. That's the bummer. I really wish I would have liked this, but I'm like, I don't know. But that being said, comment below. Let me know what you think. Maybe you like this stuff. Let me know. Yeah. All right. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. Come on, get on with it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.